Hello students, welcome to MGM Coaching Center Rayagada. Okay, this night is the final night for you for your economics. So be serious for MCQ questions. Yes, MCQ 50 marks questions. 50 mark MCQ. पढ़ा पिला माने मन देके शुण मु 2021 रो क्वेश्चन को टिके चेक करके तुम सामना रे का टाइम भितर थिबा क्वेश्चन रो केमिति तुमको परीक्षा रे आइबो से ट्रिक मु जानछि तेनु से ट्रिक रो सीक्रेट तो कहा जिवो नाही कोन पड़िबो केमिति लेखिबो ये सब विषय ध्यान दे सुनो. Listen, the tricks, the techniques are very important things. Rather than spending 24 hours with the book, right? So I pay more attention to tricks and techniques. Finish the things in 2 minutes, not in 24 hours. Get highest mark. Okay? Less time, cover more course. How is this possible? I have these things. Don't think it is miracle. It's the truth. Let us start. MCQ questions. From 2021 question paper, I can tell you what will come in 2022. Yes. Let us start. I will speak in both Odia and English language because it is Odisha syllabus. Maximum students are appearing in Odia medium. Odia medium re koi bhi and English medium students also focus this. देखो पिला माने प्रथम क्वेश्चन एबे भी आसिले उपयोगिता रिलेटेड नले संज्ञा रिलेटेड